Hello students, I am Jitendra Kumar. Today we will learn creation of design elements in Revit architecture. Today we will create a corporate building, and that corporate building we will create first wall, then floor, then slab, after that door and windows, and then we will create a roof, that is different kind of roof. After that we will create a design element on this project. So we will move to the Revit. So this is a new file, and this kind of project we will create at the end. So I had already opened a Revit file, a new Revit file. So we will create first the levels. So we will move to elevations and we will create the levels. There are 5 levels in this project, so there is only 2 levels is there. So we will create 3 more. So I will move to the level, and then level 3, then level 4, and then level 5. Okay, so we will correct the height of those levels. The level 1 is at 3000 mm, level 2 is at 6000 mm, level 4 is at 10,000 mm, and level 5 is at 14,000 mm. Yeah, so level is created. I will move to level 1, and we will go to create the walls. We will select wall architectural, and I will select level 5 in this ribbon, and I will create a wall here, and I will start to offset. So this is 200 mm thickness of wall. So the inside dimension of the first room is 5 meter into 3 meter. So I will take the offset of 3200 mm. So modify offset, here we will do 3200 mm. Now first, similar 7 rooms we are going to create. So one room is created, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and next room is at 4000 mm. So we will change the offset dimension 4200. So yeah, it's created. So 8 room is created. Again I will go in architecture, create wall architecture, default 200 mm, generic wall, start point and finish point. So wall is created. The one room dimension is 5 meter to 3 meter. So I will take offset of 5200 mm. Again 5200 mm. Now I can create this. I will edit this whole thing. So this is trim and extend, and this is the line, and I will save this one, this one, this one, this wall, this wall, this wall, this wall, this wall, and this wall also. So yes, 7 room is created. Now central corridor is of 3 meter. So I will again take the offset of 3200 mm. So yes, 3200 mm offset is there. Again, next room is of same offset dimension. We can create here is 4200 mm. So next room says, and I can extend this wall up to here. So I will pick this one and this one. Yeah, first dimension is of same 3 meters. So again I will extend this wall up to here, and this wall also up to here. I will split this wall here also, here also. Now I have to edit, so I will select this line and this and this. Select this line, select this line and this. Again select this line, select this line. Oh yeah, undo. Yeah. So zoom it. Select this line. Yeah, two room is there. Created. So what next? Again, the next room size is of 5 meter. So I will take offset of 5 meter. Is that 5200 mm? Yeah. I will extend this up to this point. Now we have to create model lines to do some more drafting. I created one model line and I created a centered model line. Then I will move this wall up to here and I will create another wall. Architecture wall architecture. So here to here. Okay. Now this two model line is not required now. I will delete these model lines. Now next, so from here to here next room size is of 6 meter. So I will offset this, again modify, offset 6200. So yeah, I created this wall and I will extend this wall up to here. Okay, and it is this wall here. Yes, offset from here to here is 5 meters. So again offset, so 5200 mm. Again trim this up to here. Again from here to here next room is of offset 4 meter. So again I will take 4200. Yeah, done. Again I will extend this up to here. From here to here offset is 5 meter. So again I will take 5200. Yeah. Now again I will create a wall architecture. I will start wall here and finish it here. Yeah, done. Modify, trim. Okay. Now yeah, this and this also. So this room is created now. Now what next? Next is I have to split this wall in between, and again here and here, and move this wall inside. The dimension is not defined, but I can take it inside. Yeah, now I can extend this up to this point. Okay, so this room is created now. Okay, this room is also created. Next room is from here to here. The offset distance is 5 meter. So again offset. Yeah, this room is created. Now I will extend this wall up to this wall. So again here and here. So this room is created. Again from here to here the offset distance is of 6 meter. So again offset 6200 meter. So I created this one, and here, yeah, done. And again I have to create a wall architecture, yeah, at this point. Again trim this, yeah, again trim this. So this also created. Now what next? From this aligned line I can trim this point and this, yeah. Next the offset distance is of 3 meter, so offset 3200, yeah, it's created. Now again corner trim, yeah, here to here the next wall is of 3 meter, so again offset, yeah, this created. Now this edit time, trim this, yeah, and then save this. So this whole room has been created. Now this wall is not required, split this here and make it like this and this. So the one side of the corporate buildings rooms is created. Next what we can do, from this wall to another wall the distance is of 24 meters, so I can create a model line. Architecture, model lines, I will start this model line here and 24,000, enter. So this length is created, yeah, this length is created. Similarly, so now the project is big and default view locations is closer, so we can move it further, yeah, here, and this view here, this view here, and this view here. Okay, so what next? Next we can select all walls and mirror with axis. I have this line, I have center, and with this axis I can create the same mirror image of this project. Now in front I have to create a curtain wall, and it is glazed curtain wall. So first I will create ordinary wall architecture, and then I will select the curve line, and I will start from here and here, and I will create a semicircle, yeah, this semicircle line is created. So yes, all wall has been created. I will save this project, save, I will keep it at desktop, project 5, save. So drafting is done here, and the back side wall, again I will go to wall architecture. I will start, it will pick the center line, so I will change this and I will take the finish face exterior, and I will start this one and I will finish this one. Yeah, this wall is also created. We can see the views, yeah, this is created. Okay, go to plan, save this one. Thank you, the wall creation is over. Hello students, I am Jitendra Kumar Das. Today we will teach you design elements creation in Revit architecture project 5, and it is part 2. Here we will see creation of floors and creation of slabs. Two things we will cover in this video. Creation of wall is already created. So we will go to the Revit. So this project we had already created in part 1 of this video. So this is level 1 floor plan. Now we will create the floor slab. So we will go to architecture, and after that we will go to floor, and we will select the floor architectural, and when it will come, it will be a generic floor of 400 mm. So no problem, we will take this and then we will start to draft the floor. So we will select the line first, and we will start from this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, and it is arch, so we will select the arch, this point, and the respective curvature. Okay, and then line. So this line, this line, this line, and the geometry is now closed. We will click right. Yeah, so floor is created. We will go in view to see it, how it looks. Yeah, it's created. So what next? We will select this floor and we will copy this, and we will select paste and then align to selected levels, and we will go in level 2 and OK. So this floor will come in level 2. Now we will change its property. We will select this and we will click in edit type and duplicate it. We can write it as a floor slab, and size of this floor slab is 150 mm. Okay, I change the name. I also need to edit the structure. It is 400, so I will change it to 150 mm. Okay, now this is changed. Okay, so you see this is 6 inches or 150 mm slab. What next? Again we will select this, we will copy this and we will paste it to upper levels, that is level 2, 3 and level 4. Okay, so these all come in the all levels. Now we are going to create the roof. So we will go to the level 5. Nothing is visible. So what we will do, level 5, yeah, we will change the view range. Yeah, we will select the level 5 and we will change the view range. View range. Yeah, this is the view range, and we will go up to level 4 to see what is below. Yeah, so everything is visible now at level 5. So what next? We are going to create the roof. So here roof is little bit parametric in nature, organic in nature, so we cannot create roof by footprint. So we have to do in some another way. So to do that, we will go in elevations. Yeah, this south elevation, north elevation, east elevation. We will take the front elevation actually. I think this is the front elevation. Okay, so what next? So we will go to roof by extrusion, and it is saying to pick the plane. Okay, we will pick this plane. If we press tab, we will move to different planes. So I'm going to select this plane at level 5. Okay, now drawing is ready. So I will create a little bit, I will start roof from this point and finish it at this point and create a curvature. Yes, this side and this side. Okay, done. So roof is created. It is basic roof of 300 mm. We can edit this. Okay, I am taking for at this time, at this thickness, to understand how to create. Now we will go to view and we will see up to which point it is created. Yeah, it's created from this point to this point. So I have to go in west elevation. Yeah, so it's up to here only. I have to pull up to this point. See, I can pull this. I can pull this. It's not coming. Yeah, it's like this. I can pull this up to here and little bit in this side also. So I think this roof is created. Okay, so we will go to see view how it looks. A few things, if we pull it little bit more, then it will be okay. So again we will go to west elevation. We will select this and we will pull it little bit. Yeah, so it looks okay for us. So roof is created. Now this front semicircular wall is actually a glazed wall. So how we can change this? It's quite easy. We will go in level 1 and we will select this wall. Before doing that, we will select all wall. Okay, we will filter this and lines should be removed, floors should be removed, so only wall is there. And what we will do, we will go to view and again I have to select everything. So I selected everything, I filtered everything, check none, I selected only wall. Okay, and now see, this is attached to base. So the roof is up, and the wall's height is up to the level 5. It is not attached to the roof, so we will attach it to the roof. Now I select this. I think it is attached now. We can visualize this. Yeah, everything is attached. So done. Thank you. This lecture is over. Hello students. Today we will see the third part of project 5 in Revit. We will do for design element creation in Revit architecture. So in this project we had already created wall, then floor, then slab, and then roof. Today we will going to create doors and window in this project, and after that we will see the creation of design element in this project. We will move to the Revit. So up to this much we had created in this project. Now uh, see, the frontage is the front wall is actually a curtain wall. So we will go to level 1 and we will select this wall. Yeah. And we will change this. We will change it to storefront. Now it will change automatically itself into a storefront. We can visualize it in view. Yeah. So this is a storefront now. What next? Next we will start to put door and windows. So this is the part. Now I'm going to place the doors. So I will select the door and I can, this is by default single flush doors, so we can take the door size from here itself. So I'm taking this one and I can place it one here and another here, and then one is here and one is here, similarly here and here, and this is here and one is here, another is here, and two doors of same category, one here and another is that. So we will correct it. So here we will change its direction. Now it looks better. Here also we will change the direction, and here also we will change the direction. Here also the same. Here same thing. Here we will click in these two arrows. We will change its direction. Again we will click at these two arrows. Now here also we will click at these arrows. So it's done. So single flush door we placed. Now I think here one more flush door we required. So door, it will select the previous selected one. So we can place it at middle and one here also. And now next other kind of door. So we will go to load family and we will go to library, US metric, and then we will select the door. Residential, we will choose the correct door. And I'm going to pick, yeah, this one. Oh, now I will pick the sage. This one. Okay. So we can place it from inside, one here and another here. Okay. Here also we are going to place the same, and here exactly in middle point we are going to place. So it's very tough to find the middle. Yeah, so we placed it. Now next we will place the windows. Now we will move in window and we'll go for load family, and we'll go in library, use metric and window, and we will select the proper window as per our requirement. I think this, open. Yeah, here we are going to place 3, 1, 2 and 3, and here we are going to place 2. Okay, and second room in middle, third room also in middle, fourth, fifth and sixth, here also in middle, here also in middle. In back side, one window is here and another window is here. Okay, that much. Now we are going to create window here also. So again, window, load family, and libraries, US metric, windows. We will select the window as per our requirement. This window we can take, open, we will select this dimension and we can put it here. Yeah, it's okay. So we will see the orientation of different windows. It appears that everywhere it is correct. Here we have to change its direction. We will click at this arrow and it will set itself in the outer face. So this much door window creation is done. What next? Next is we have to copy this whole thing in this side. So it's quite easy. We will select everything here and we will filter it, check none, and we will select only door and windows. Okay, now we can mirror with axis. Yeah, so we have to select the midpoint. Yeah, midpoint is actually here. So yes, I think something happened. We have to correct ourselves. Undo. We will create it afterwards. Delete. And we are going to take the model line. The model line is here. And again we will select everything. Filter, check none, only doors and windows. Okay, then mirror with axis, this point to this point. Yeah, now it's correct. Now it is correct. Now we can place this door here. Exactly at mid position. It's not coming, but okay, no problem. We will go to door and we'll pick the last select one. I think this is last selected one, and we can place it easily. Door, load family, library, US metric, door, any door we can take, open, yeah, this, okay, and we can place it here. I will change its orientation, direction. I will delete this creation line. So yes, door window creation is over. Thank you. Hello students, I am Jitendra Kumar. Now we will see the part 4 of project 5. Here we will learn design elements creation in Revit architecture. Up to now we had learned almost all things. Now we will go to learn creation of design elements. Now we will move in Revit architecture. So up to this we had already created. I will go in level 1 and will go in site. I will try to select the bottom slab and I will edit this boundary and I will change it. I will take this line, this line I will remove, this line I will remove, here also, here also, here also, and we will create another line, yeah, this line, and this point and this point, yeah, done, right. So go and see the view, yeah, the floor surface appears like this. Now next, this window has a different nature. I'm going to redo this. So how we can do this? I will going to create another wall architectural, and in drop menu I will select the curtain wall, and curtain wall I will go in edit type and I will duplicate this curtain wall to OK, and here I will click automatically embedded OK. Okay, so I will create a wall here up to from here to here. Okay, yeah, and let's see in view how it appears. Yeah, I think it's okay. Thing is that I have to change this. We are going to create to this much, not too high, here and here, yeah, this much, yeah, done. I will move in level 1 and I will delete this one, select this and copy with mirror. I think this is the midpoint. Let's see where it moves. Yeah, it's here, correct. So now we will select this one, control button, and these two also, select this also, select this also. So 2 is selected. Let's check filter, small, okay. Now go in copy and take in paste, align to selected level, go in level 2, level 3 and level 4. Okay, now go and see the view. Yeah, it came everywhere. In this side also we can check. Yeah, it's here. So this kind of glazed window creation we can easily perform. Now next we'll move in level 2 and we are going to create something cladding wall here, a designed cladding wall here. So how we can create? We will create with component. So we will move to south elevation. Yeah, this is the south elevation. Okay, so here we are going to create that. How we can create? It's quite easy. Go in component, take model in place and pick the wall. Yeah, wall. Okay, and it is wall 1. Okay, now we are going to create the wall here. So we have to set the plane, pick a plane. Okay, now yeah, this plane has been selected. Now it is extrusion. We will do extrusion here, and how we can do it's quite easy. So this, take rectangular, start from here and yeah, take it up to this point. Okay, now take this curve line and pick this point and pick this point and take the curvature. Yeah, now edit this and this line, this and this line, and delete this one. Yeah, two openings we are going to create, two puncture here. Yeah, one puncture here, and we will select this one. No, wrong. Delete elements, control Z. Yeah, okay, we will select this full and mirror with axis. So this two has been created. Right click. Yeah, done. Finish modeling. Yeah, it's done. So we can see this. Now you can see this, and this has been created. Now next we will create two embedded glass window. Again we will move in level 2 and we are going to create two embedded glass window, one here and another here, like this. So how we can create? Architecture, wall architecture, go in curtain wall 2 and edit its type. Yeah, automatically embedded nature has been activated. Now create one here, okay, and create another one here also. Yeah, two, and see in 3D how it looks. Yeah, it's like that. Take it in upside. Okay, similarly here also take it upside. Yeah, and this up to top, this up to top, up to here. Similarly we can adjust this up to here. Now this is created. This two glazed curtain wall is created. Now what next? Two fins we are looking here and here. How we can create these fins? So it's quite easy. It goes from here to here. Quite easy, it's simple. Go in level 1 and create one fin here and one fin here. It's quite easy. Go in, select wall architectural. Different way you can do. I'm going by simple easy methods. Now I'm picking the generic wall here. Yeah, this generic wall. I will create one element here. Yeah, to this. Yeah, and one element here. Okay. What next? Go in 3D. Pick this. Attach to the base of this. Yeah, done. Similarly here, and attach it to base. These two things is created. Now we are seeing that this is not looking proper, so we can pull it in right side like that. My nudging tool. Yeah, little bit. Done. Similarly, this also left side. Yeah, done. So how it looks, go in reality view, how it looks. It's look nice. Thing is that this appears similar, so we will select this and we will edit its type. And what we will do, we will change its structural material. Yeah, so you can pick any kind of material which you like. I'm going to pick stainless steel of kind things. Okay, and yeah, it's okay. How it looks now. If we do render, then it will appear a nice thing. For the third thing, for the third view, it will appear like this. Okay, so similar thing we are going to create in this side also. So how we can do this? It's easy. Go in level 2 and pick the things which we want to copy. Yeah, this and this. Now mirror with axis, and we have the center line here, and create this. Yeah, it's here, it appeared here. Similarly, these two windows also we want, and mirror with axis. It's created. We'll go to see the view. Yeah, it's look nice. So this project element architectural features, we created something. We can do the fast rendering also. It is in draft mode. You can take high and put render. It will take few seconds. Total rendering will take longer time, but you can see this which kind of output it will show after some time. So that much. Thank you. Lecture is over.